All right, so for those of us that haven't installed Git on our machine, Git is quite straightforward to install. So you just have to visit the Git website. Let's just say Git download, so we can navigate to the download page via a Google search. All right, so right here on Google, we just click on the gitscm.com/download. So this is basically taking us straight to the downloads page. And here we have the downloads page. You can see the URL right there. So in order to download Git for Windows or Mac OS or Linux, you can basically follow either of the option here. So this has automatically detected that we are running a Windows operating system, and we have the option to download the latest release, download for Windows. So let's click on this. Right. So here we need to select the option if we want a 32-bit installer or a 64-bit installer. Let's go for the 64-bit installer. We are going with the standalone installer and not the portable version of Git. So let's work with this. All right, so that is asking us to download. Let's select the best location. I'll just go with downloads. Let's save that. All right, so the download has started. We're going to wait for the download to complete so that we can proceed to install Git on our machine. All right, so we have Git downloaded here. All I have to do now is double click on this setup file to start installation. Although I already have this installed, let's click on next. Just follow the wizard. Let's leave the default settings here, the default checked items there. So let's go to the next step. The next step, let's Git decide, override the default branch name. I think that's fine. Yeah, so but basically you'll see this is the option where you can override the default branch name for new repositories, where you can change it to main instead of the default, which is master. So you can change this to main right here. I'll just leave the default for now. Next, and yeah, I want to use Git from the command line also. Yeah, so next, use bundled open SSH. That is fine. Next, and okay. Fast forward or merge, rebase. Okay, so I would work with the default Git credential manager, and this is basically if you want to use the cross-platform Git credential manager, you have to select this option, right? And yeah, if you probably prefer not to use the credential helper, then you select none. So let's press next. So I have my terminal pulled up here. This is the wave terminal, so I simply have to run Git version after installing Git, and you see I have the Git version 2.47.1. So this is to show that our Git installation worked, and we can basically start using the Git commands from here. All right, my friends, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.